and all. So yeah, day 5 now. We're on the next lift down, finishing off. I've got a little bit to do down the bottom there where Fred is. Duncan. Yeah, then we're going to start from the end of that window there, give them away there. So morning Peter, so morning. Morning. So yeah, the rest of it is up here, this there, to the end of that window there. Down, and that's this lift done on this side, on the front elevation. And then we crack on with this side here. Then hopefully, maybe Wednesday, stroke Thursday, I start getting some mucking up there. I've got to go and pick some muck up because some sand and some lime suppliers and delivery times are absolutely ridiculous. So it's just as quick for us to go down there with a ton bag, couple of shovels, and get it on the trailer ourselves. Alright, so yeah, in a bit.